Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sunusi II, has said Nigeria is stuffed with loosey leaders who lack the requisite capacity and competence to deliver and transform the country. Mr. Sunusi, who spoke at the second edition of Kano International Poetry Festival at the weekend. The Sokoto State Deputy Governor Engineer Idris Mohammed Kobir has inspected 20 motorized boats procured by the state government for distributions to 10 flooded-prone local government area of the state. The inspections, which took place on Friday, was conducted on behalf of the Governor Ahmad. The 17-year-old Nigerian student Nafisa Abdullahi Aminu from Yobe State visited former Minister Professor Isa Ali Pantami to appreciate his mentorship and present to him the global award she received last month. Now in security, Governor Dauda Lawal of Zamfara State has intensified major ground operations against bandits, mobilizing State Askarawa and the local civilian JTF. Residents of Zamfara have welcomed the involved. Troops of the 12th Brigade of the Nigerian Army have neutralized a notorious bandit second-in-command, Babangida Kachala, in Kogi State. Nigerian Army killed several terrorists, arrested 6 suspected kidnappers, and rescued 30 hostages in Kaduna State. Bandit attack farmers on the outskirts of Kankara, Katsina State, abducting several at the weekend. Troops of the Operation Hadinkai in Borno State have killed 8 Boko Haram terrorists, including 2 commanders, in a clash at Ladari, Yobe State. Now politics. Kebbi State APC Caucus of National Assembly, led by the leader Senator Adamu Alero, has called for the arrests and prosecutions of the former Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami. Taraba local government polls, APC raises alarm over 1 million naira tax clearance fee. Yahya Bello betrayed me after promising me that I will become governor after him, says Anoja. Labour Party asks Senate to reinstate Senator Natasha, warns against abuse of law. Now from the international scene, Venezuela has accused the United States of illegally boarding and occupying one of its fishing vessels in the country's special economic zone, further escalating tensions between Caracas and Washington. 2 separate boat accidents in northwestern Democratic Republic of the Congo have killed over 193 people and left dozens missing, authorities and media said at the weekend. Thousands of Palestinians are being displaced each day by Israeli indiscriminate carpet bombing of Gaza City, which is killing dozens of civilians daily, with families feeling south towards and uncertain in the repeatedly attacked and overcrowded Al-Mawasi. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.